you've got that sort of stability and
does that position that Mitch does, you know?
It's quite easy. You just get the position there and you just call the chin him up, sort of. And if you get that, you keep a clean sheet there. You can have quality.
Yeah, that's how we do it.
Minter!
To be fair to Alan Pardew, but he's said the right thing at the right time. He's won the biggest thing winning fans was always the results, and that's what they've got.
The other thing as well is that, you know, we hear from a lot of
Minter!
rotation of players.
Minter! 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 You don't know your name yet, do you?